Hey, what is going on? I am Jake. Welcome back to KALE Robot. In this week's deep dive, we are going to go step by step into my preparation for smoked eggs. Now, if you've been watching the channel lately, I've been making a few grandiose claims that some of my recipes might change your life. Well, this is one of them. It's very true that I am a sucker for delicious smoked foods. And there's something special about smoking eggs in particular. Eggs are amazing, right? They are cheap, they're versatile, they're easy, and they're delicious. So, I don't know, have you ever on the weekend just made a whole bunch of hard or soft boiled eggs to snack on for the rest of the week? Well, this is a level up cheat code for that simple, humble snack. Okay, first I bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil. While it's coming up to temperature, prepare your ice bath. Starting early with the ice bath gives you plenty of time for the water to get icy cold. Dropping hot food will of course raise the temperature, so the more ice you use, the colder the water will stay for the ice bath to work effectively. Once prepared, set it to the side and away from your warm stove. Next, take your eggs out of the refrigerator. There's no need to bring them up to room temperature first here. Once the water is boiling, just place the eggs on a spider or a large slotted spoon, as many as you can fit comfortably, and lower them in. I like to rest the spider right on the pot, which prevents the eggs from jostling and cracking from the roiling water. If you can't do this, if your utensil prevents you, lower the heat on the burner so the water is more of a simmer and the eggs can sit at the bottom of the pot without moving too much. Keep in mind though, this might extend the cooking time by about a minute or two. Generally, the rule is to cook for 6 minutes if you want a soft-boiled egg, or 10 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. For this one, I like somewhere right in the middle, and I cook them 8 minutes to get firm but jammy yolks. Now, once time is up, I'll pull the eggs out of the water and then plunge them directly into the ice bath. I'll let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. They should feel cold to the touch whenever they are ready. Now it is time to peel them. I like to crack the top and then the bottom and then all along the sides. From there, I lay the cracked egg flat on a cutting board and apply a very, very gentle pressure while rolling the egg back and forth. From there, the shell peels off pretty easily. I'll rinse the egg off in water to make sure all those little bits of shell are gone, and then I'll set it to the side. I'll repeat this with all the remaining eggs until they're peeled. Once everything is peeled, I slice all the eggs in half. I love this part because it's the big reveal as to whether you've cooked your eggs properly. Jammy and perfect here. If your eggs are a little bit over or a little bit under, it'll work just as well, don't worry. It's one of the benefits of cooking an 8-minute egg. You give yourself a little bit of breathing room if your timing is a hair off. Next, I set up the cold smoker. I've got this fancy glass box, but you can just as easily smoke these in a Ziploc bag or a large Tupperware container. You can find links to the cold smoker and the box down below in the description. I hook up the smoker hose to the box, add the eggs inside, and close the doors. Then I load the smoker with mesquite chips, turn on the suction, and light her up. I like to smoke the eggs for about 15-20 minutes. You can let them sit in the smoke for a little while longer too. It will get a little bit more intense, so as long as you want, you can do that. To finish these, I simply season the yolks with a little bit of your favorite salt, and you're good to eat. And that, my friends, is how you smoke an egg. Let me know if it delivers on my promise of changing your life. Regardless of how it turns out, I would love to hear from you if you liked it, disliked it. Leave me a line down in the comments. That's going to be it for me this week. Thanks for coming by, checking out the recipe. I'm going to see you next time. Bye now.